How are you guys doing today? Today our focus is going to be on a trend line breaking strategy. So we're going to go right into it. So our trend line, it's a very strong price action trading method in the forex market, and it's something you want to apply to find market opportunities. However, before I go into the training, there's something I need to stress on, that when trading trend line, you do not trade trend line in isolation. No, you don't want to do that. You want to complement your trend line with a horizontal line to create a confluence zone. You want to create a confluence zone so that when price breaks through the trend line, on the retracement, you'll be able to spot a possible area where price will rest before it continues in that direction. I'm going to show you. I'm going to switch to my line chart and draw my trend line right here. So guys, as you can see how price broke through this trend line. But without your horizontal line, how can you tell that price would get to this level, which on the lower time frame is going to be a double bottom? How can you tell that price will get to this level before you can place a buy? This is why you need your horizontal line. Now with your horizontal line, you can look for previous low to place your horizontal line. So here is a previous low right here. So you can see that now, right? You can see how price came and rested on that line to go bullish. So guys, this is how to deal with trend line breakouts. So we are going to go to look for trend line breakout on other pairs. Let's see if we can find one here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so guys, on our GBP JPY, we can also look out for trend line breakouts. The trend line breakout doesn't only work on daily time frame. You can as well check for lower time frame on 4 hours. So let's look for one. I think there's one here. Yes, there's one here. There's a breakout here. As you can see, after the breakout, price returned back to this area. You can see how price returned back to this area and it rallied up again. I think if we won't go further, I believe we can still find one more. Okay, yeah, there's one here. You can see a breakout formation as well. And you can add your, like I said, you add your horizontal line. Yes, I added it based on this peak I saw here. So believing that price will return back to this level. So at this level, you do the needful by going to look out for maybe another structure on 4 hours or 1 hour, and to place your entry. Then you can decide to look out for take profit levels on the reversal zone on your Fibonacci. So this process just keep repeating itself. They are all important. Your trend line, your supply and demand zone, your horizontal line, they all work together to give you informed decision on what to do about the market. You can as well go to another pair. Let's see. So let's look for another pair. Let's try GBP card. I think I'll look for one. Okay, there's one here. You can see just another breakout strategy on the trend line. And you can add your horizontal line right here. Let me change this to candlesticks. You can put it right here, just around the candle wick. So guys, at the same time, you do your top down analysis. Once price gets to this level, you'll be looking out for opportunities on how to join in on the trade for bullish move. So guys, this thing repeats themselves. You have to watch that patterns and structures, they rhyme every time across time frames. So your job is to look out for possible areas where you can place your entry after doing a market analysis, just like I did now. So guys, this is how to look out for breakouts on trend lines. So you can see before this move got here, you can also find an upward movement here. When I talked about Fibonacci trading in one of my videos, I can't just help but still talk about Fibonacci here. But guys, this is how to do trend line. Trend lines are not used in isolation. Make sure when using your trend lines for breakout, you complement it with a horizontal line for confluence zones. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this one really good to help in your trading. I'll see you in my next video.